Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into mobile games and want simple, effective ways to play smarter, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new gaming video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you a really easy method to boost your resources in One Piece Bounty Rush. It's a safe hack method, works on both iOS and Android, and you won't need to download anything weird. Stick around until the end so you don't miss a step. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you're running the latest version of One Piece Bounty Rush. This step is key because the method works best when the game is up to date. Now open up your browser and head over to this site. It's a trusted platform that's got tools for a bunch of popular mobile games and apps. When you get there, use the search bar to type in the game name, then tap on the result to open up the generator tool page. Quick and easy, let's move on to the fun part. On this page, you'll see all the info you need about how the mod works. To begin injecting the mod, just hit that orange button and the tool will start injecting the mod into your account. You'll see a few things happening behind the scenes like proxy activation, security bypassing, and mod setup. Don't worry, it's all fully automated and super secure. All you need to do now is wait a moment while it does its thing. Before you can receive the resources, you'll need to complete a super simple verification. This helps confirm you're not a bot. It's usually something super easy like downloading and run free app from official app store. Takes just a couple of minutes. If you're not sure what to do, there's even a video guide on the site to walk you through it. Just follow along and you'll be good to go. I've already gone through the whole process, so I'm not repeating it here, but trust me, it works. Once that's done, go back to the game and your resources should be there waiting for you. And that's the full today's tutorial. If this helped you out, smash that like button and don't forget to share it with your crew. If you've got any questions or run into an issue, drop a comment below. I'll be checking in and helping out when I can. And, of course, subscribe and turn on the bell so you're always first to know when the next gaming tip drops. Thanks for hanging out, and until next time, happy gaming. Catch you in the next one.